Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Priti's English journey, and today I am here to just share something about me. Yes, because on these days I am very much busy and also I am just left behinding me. What are the good qualities of me I can share? That first, I am able to face the camera and talk is the good quality of it like a actor. It's like a feeling a actor. I just, if I have a script, I can record myself. This is the first one quality. And the second, I write with my non-dominant hands over 2 months. And it's very very little bit of habit, but this habit I built it with myself. That helps me to just reanalyze what the situation and take the actual step what to be useful at that time. It helps to make the neural connection with my two brains. This is the two good things. And if I say the third one, very important, I can create the template. Yes, and nowadays I am focusing on many other things I will share with you later on. But this is the things I can design journal books and that on selling for the Amazon KDP, because I know there is no sales there, but still I learn how to create that to generate income. Basically, this is why I am just chasing. I am thinking about how I can create the millionaire mindset, to be just sit down and whatever you do in your life, but just you don't chase for money. Money will come to your bank account all of these days. So that's why basically I tried myself to publish any journal books on like this. But nowadays I am feeling that working is important also, because if you are not working, then no one going to pay you. Even many of the businessmen and all of the things, they are just say they are just working 14 hours a day still. So who am I to saying that I have to be just sit and sleep and money will come to my bank account? Yes, I can create that flow, but it's take time. And that's the thing I have to be realized. Uh, if I came to the point, what I say that I am able to speak in front of camera. This is a confident habits of me. And the second things, I can write with my non-dominant hand, and it's very useful that 1% of people are doing that thing to get the brain more stronger to think the cognitive thinking. And third thing what I say, that what are the things, yes, I am designing something to just create money workflow from my home. So I am creating that also. These are the three things I said. If I say what are the other things, I usually prefer 2 glasses of water in the morning. I just sit down and spend time with myself, and that helps me to think more creatively. Yes, and this is the things which if I say the truth behind that, what are the dark truth of it, my my mother or my parents always telling me that why you are drinking water, 2 glasses of water for 2 hours. It's like time waste. You never do anything in your life. They're telling me that if you are thinking about that I am showing myself in front of camera, it's very good easy that make up myself and say in front of camera. That's not easy. I have to think creativity. So I take my time, even I under the truth behind it, I have no problems. Yes, I have problems, but still I learn how to manage that. If you are seeing my background, that is very much um, it's like bricks are there, and you are thinking I am poor. Honestly, if you are thinking something like that, that's not I am. Yes, because my father is an ex-Indian army, and my mother is a housewife, but we have the home, a perfect home. But this is the on the roof, and this is for my self study. Yes, if you say me, yes, I am poor because I am earning money too less by the tuition. So I want to build something. Nowadays I am just chasing for that also, and I don't want to share it in front of camera, but I still feel that I have to do some casual talks. So I am just doing some casual talks. Okay. You can talk similar in front of camera like this, because it's taught me that because I can say anything in front of camera, I am comfortable to it. If you say, I am used to it. Yesterday I just missed to show myself in front of camera, so it feels my something demotivate, and all the day is going by just like bad things happen again and again to myself. If I am seriously not doing things what I am interested, so I am doing with my interest. Okay. And it's okay, because yesterday I just missed to just I just shared with you that nowadays I am feeling that whatever work I can do to generate money. Yesterday I got rejection. You don't believe? Only small talks I mistaked. That get me that again I lost a job that came to me, but I lost that. uh, it's like opportunity always comes to you, but you are prepared to acquire it or not. That seriously I am taught myself. These are the things I want to say. I just share with you in front of camera. Why? If I say, it's all about to create the mental space in my head, that yes, and build the confidence that I am capable to doing something. So why I am chasing, why I break down myself whenever the situation came to me? I know I just share so many things, and it is not structured because I didn't prepare any script for this video, but doing casual talks. If you are not able to understand, then let it be go, because I know there is no experience. I am just explaining here because I have no story like that to say in front of you. This is the thing. So if you are watching till end, it's a great pleasure to meet you. And get like and subscribe, because I am going to stay tuned.